Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to do a DIY gallery wall. I saw another creator do this on TikTok and she pretty much layered the frames using different length screws where it looks 3D, which I thought was really cool. So I purchased most of my frames from HomeGoods. So like this one here is $12.99, which is a pretty good price. Yeah, so I'm gonna get a few more round mirrors and I might DIY a few more frames because they are really expensive, but I'll show you guys how I do that. So the best frames that I found were from HomeGoods. I know you could buy them on Etsy, but they were like 80, 90 bucks a piece, and this was $25. So I'll take $25. And what I might do also, because I couldn't find any large round frames, I might DIY it, but we'll see. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking so far. I'm gonna take another look and see if I can find some like round or, different style frames, because it is looking a little similar to me. Maybe like a round piece there. So I'll do that and then I'm going to start mounting it on the wall.